This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, okay, students. Screen is visible. Confirm once in the chat box if you can see my screen. Yeah. Okay. So let us start today's session. Today, I'm going to discuss one very important concept that is considered as call by value. Listen carefully. Very important concept is this call by value. So how call by value works, and on top of that, as we have learned function concept for the last few classes, so how that function internally works, everything I will discuss. Okay, so for that purpose, let me write a simple C program. Here I'm taking two variables. Okay, before taking two variables, print a message. What is that? Enter value of A and B. Enter value of A and B. I have to read the value using scanf function. Done. What is that? Reading input is done. Reading input is done. Okay. As soon as you use this AB, what is the role? Declare A and B. Done. Next, and after that, what I am doing here, I am printing the value, and here I am writing before function call. Means what? After this line, I am going to make a function call. That's why I'm writing like this, before function call. The values are percentile D, and here I'm printing A and B. Return 0. So till now, whatever we have done, if we execute the code, whatever we will input, that value we will get as output. Let's see. 5 and 6. So before function call, the values are 5 and 6. Nothing serious, nothing new here. Now, here I'm making a function call. And name of the function, I'm taking fun, stands for function. And here I'm passing two value, AB. You know that this AB is called as what? Argument. What this AB are called, guys? Argument. But who is the owner of the argument? Is the main function is the owner of the argument, or fun is the owner of the argument? No, sir. Main is the owner of the argument, because in the body of the main you defined na this AB. So main is the owner. While calling the fun function, main just give that two value to fun. Main just give that two value to fun. That's why this argument is known as actual argument. Why actual? Because actually main is the owner of it. That's why it is known as actual. But listen, when main will give this AB to fun, do you think that main will give the original AB? Suppose forget about online, session. Suppose you are attending my offline session. I have to give one hard copy note to you. Do you think I will give my original copy to you? Because even if I give the original copy to you, there is a risk factor. Tomorrow you may ask, sir, that is my copy. Then how I will prove that it's my copy? On top of that, maybe from tomorrow you are not going to come. Then how I will get that copy? So what I will do is that I will give you a copy of that, not the original copy, but a copy of that material I will provide to you. Same thing here. When main gives this fun the value AB, the actual value not sent. Copy of the actual value is sent. This is known as what, guys? Function calling. Next activity is what? We have to define the function. Where you will define? Below main or above main? Sir, both are possible, but I want to define above main, sir. Why? Sir, then function declaration I can avoid. Okay. Let us come here. What is the name of the function? Fun. How many argument it is receiving? 2. Can you leave this part blank? No, sir. What needed? 2 argument main pass na, sir. I need here 2 argument to hold. Write it int x int y. Write it int x int y. Inside the function, I'm doing some activity. X plus plus, y plus plus. And then I'm writing a printf message. Inside function, the values are %d, x comma y. I'm not going to write anything return statement, guys. No return statement here. I'm not going to return anything. Then automatically you know that what will be the return type, students? Can I leave empty? No, sir. If you leave empty, by default it's integer, na, sir. Better to write void. Better to write void. So how the control will come back to main? Sir, when it will reach to the ending second bracket, na, then only control will come back. But it will back, na? Yeah, it will back, sir. After that, I'm having another printf statement here, and I'm writing here. After function call, the values are. The values are. Okay, now guys. What output I will get, that I want to know later. But I want to give you the internal feeling what is going to happen here. Observe very carefully. This is very, very important. This is my code, guys. Yeah, this is my code. Now in this code, let me do one activity here. I want to give numbering to this code. This is line number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, lastly 8. Excellent. Similarly here, I want to give a numbering, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now I want to know how the things actually happen here. Observe carefully. Whenever we are dealing with function, internally one data structure is used. That data structure name is stack. What is the name, guys? In details we will explore that stack later. In that stack we are having 2 operations to perform. Actually 3 operations to perform, but here with 2 is enough. What is that operation? Push, pop. The 2 operations are push, pop. Logically, not logically, stack actually looks like this. This is something like this is called stack, which is having only one end open. From this end, you can make a push operation. Similarly, you can make a pop operation. Same end. What operation you can do? 2 operation. Push and then pop. Push means pushing into the stack. Pop means taking the thing out of this stack. Push, pop. So even we don't know anything about stack, but still, sir, at least 1 or 2 word I can use with respect to stack. First, sir, stack is a data structure. How many operations it can be done? 2, push and pop. On top of that, the stack principle is known as LIFO principle or philo principle. Sir, what is this LIFO and philo principle? Simple, guys. Last in, first out. First in, last out. Suppose you are telling, sir, in this stack, I want to push 10. Guys, it is the first element inserted. After that, you are telling, sir, I want to insert 20. Currently, which operation you are doing? Pushing. After that, you said 30, sir. How many push operation you performed? 3. Who first inserted? 10. Who last inserted? 30. Now you want to make a pop operation. Who will be first pop out? 30. After that, 20. After that, 10. Means what? Last in was 30, first out was the 30. First in is 10, last out is 10. So either we can say LIFO or we can say FILO. So for working with C function, operating system provides us a stack. Operating system provides us a stack. What it provides, guys? Stack. Who provides that? Operating system. Operating system provides the stack. Already you know that in a stack I can have how many end? One end. What I will do? Only difference is previously I drawn this stack vertically, now I have drawn this stack horizontally. I provided you this stack, guys? No, sir. Who provides you this stack? Operating system. Operating system provides me the stack. This is your operating system, guys. He actually provided you the stack. So I can say that the stack provided by OS. OS means, guys, operating system. Now how this stack will be used, sir? How this stack will be used? While learning function, I told you main function, operating system. Who calls main function? Operating system. So in this program, who will take the responsibility to call the main function? Sir, operating system. So that is why the very first instance that will be created in this stack is for operating system, is for main function. Is for main function. Who calls it? Am I calling the main function? No, sir. Who calls it? Operating system calls it. Operating system take the initiative for calling the main function, because function, na sir, if no one is calling, function will never execute. Someone need to take the responsibility to call the function. Operating system take the responsibility to call the function. Now main function started execution. Line number 1, int AB. What will happen? 2 memory location will be created. 2 memory location will be created for A and B respectively. This is for A, guys. This is for B. Name of the location is A. Name of this location is B. Every location in computer memory, every variable occupies some memory in our computer. I'm assuming they are getting address 100 and 200. Sir, from where you got 100 and 200? I arbitrarily considered. From RAM it will take memory now. I'm arbitrarily considering. That's it. First line done, guys. Second line is a printf statement, means it will print the message in the console. Nothing to do here. Scanf %d means now user will interact from the keyboard. User will enter some value. Suppose the value entered by user is 2 and 9. Why 2 and 9, sir? Any value user can enter. Single digit only. Any number of digit user can enter. Line number 3 completed, guys. AB got the value. Line number 4 is a printf before function call the values are. Means what? Sir, in the console, this line will be printed. This line will be printed in the console. If the line is printed in the console, what output we will get? As per this example, sir, 29. As per this example, 29. Next and after that, sir, here at line number 5, function calling is happening. That means now the control will go to where? To the fun function. From here, suddenly control will come here. From here, suddenly control will come here to the fun function. Sure, sir, sure. So who take the responsibility of calling the fun function? Operating system? No, sir. Main. Why? Because I call the function from main, sir. That's why. So fun function is a function, guys. Yes. For every function calling, one instance will be created in the stack. Previously one created. Now main has made a function call to fun. So for fun, one instance is created. For fun, one instance is created. So immediately control is leaving main and control is going to fun. Is it going to fun forever or someday it will come back? Someday it will come back, sir. When? Sir, when fun function execution will be done, control will come back automatically. Two approaches are there, sir, return statement and automatically. Here I am not returning any value. That's why I'm not going for return statement. I will wait till the function ends and at the end control will definitely come back. Acha, when the control will come back in the main, from where execution will start? Is it 5 or 6? If you say 5 means again function calling will happen. No, sir, not 5, 6. But who will remember the value? Are you interested to remember the value? Don't you have any other activity? No, sir, I'm very busy person. I'm not able to take the responsibility of remembering the value. To remember that value, one fellow is there. Who is that fellow? The name of that fellow is instruction pointer. What is the name of that fellow, guys? Instruction pointer. That instruction pointer remembers that value. That instruction pointer remembers the value. What value? Sir, when the control will come back, from where execution will start, that value. So for the main function, instruction pointer will remember what value? 6, sir, 6. The value that will be remembered by instruction pointer is. This fellow name is instruction pointer. He is the instruction pointer. Instruction pointer. So currently, where is the control? To the main function. You passed anything to the main function? Yes, sir, I passed. What you passed? Sir, I passed two value, A value and B value. Where fun function captured that value? Sir, in X and Y. In the form of what? 2 and 9. In the form of 2 and 9. Where it will hold the value? In the X and Y variable. This is fun function. Inside this is X variable location. This is Y variable location. X, Y. What is the value captured? 2 and 9. What about their memory location? Sir, some memory location. Arbitrarily considering 300 and 400. Total arbitrary consideration. So currently who is executing? Sir, fun. What he have done? What he has done? Sir, X plus plus Y plus plus. Oh, incremented the value, no? Yes. What is the value? 3. Only incremented X or both? Both, sir. This will be what? 10. After that, I have a statement to execute. What is that? Inside function call the values are X and Y value. What is that X and Y value now? Sir, 3 and 10. So inside the function, the values are 3 and 10. How many times you made the push operation? 2 times. While 2 times? Because in my total scenario, 2 times function call happened, sir. One is main function, another is fun function. Sir, are you only talking about user defined function? Because there are some built-in functions, sir, they are not printf, scanf. For them also it happens, but I'm not bringing them into the story. Then it will become very clumsy. I'm just bringing the user defined function into the story. Main is also a user defined function, guys. Sir, why main is a user defined function? My teacher told that main is a built-in function. Tell me, students, when you write factorial of a number function inside main, when you write the logic of addition of two numbers, subtraction of two numbers, multiplication program, for all program main function body is same. No, different. Factorial some other logic, Fibonacci other logic, addition some other logic, subtraction some other logic, different, sir. Who defines that? Myself define that, sir. Don't you think as a programmer? Sir. Developer? User? So is it inbuilt? No, sir. Then I define. So if you define, then main function is user defined function or built-in function? User defined function. Then, sir, why some people call main as a built-in function? That's as because only the execution will start from main. By that they thought that main is a built-in function, because execution will always start from main. Our execution always starts, so what? Body. Who defines that? Myself or predefined? Myself. Hence main is a user defined function. Some people say that main is a user defined function and built-in function both. Okay, accepted. accepted. Some people say main is neither a built-in function nor as a user-defined function, is a special function. No problem, sir. Accepted. But if you only say main as a built-in function, sir, I have an objection. Other than if you say special function, if you include built-in and user-defined both, I don't have any objection. But if you only say it's a built-in function, I will object, because I write the body of main function every day for different problem. So you cannot tell that it's a built-in function. Now, sir, where I am just printed this value here. After printing the value, line number 3 done. 4 is what? Closing parenthesis ended. Means what? The fun function story ended, guys. Once the fun function story ended, the instance that was created in the stack, this instance that is created in the stack, this instance is going to be removed. This instance is going to be removed. Removed means, sir, pop operation, guys. Remove means pop operation, because you know na, stack push and pop. Earlier you made 2 push operation, main and then main call fun, that's why 2. Now it is done means it will be pop operation. Then automatically what will happen, sir, sir, control now will come back to main. Control will come back to main. Super. Automatically, na? Yeah. Can you send the control back to main? Yes, sir, by using return statement. But here not needed, that's why I'm not doing. But control came back. Once control came back, now the role of the instruction pointer will start. He will now say, "Arey, now you need me." Why? Because you don't know from where to execute. You call that fun function, you go there. You are enjoying inside the fun function. Now everything done, you are coming back and you don't know from where to execute without consulting with me. Then you are telling, no, you are my superhero. Please, you are my superhero. Tell me from where to execute. Then instruction pointer is telling, now you execute from 6, line number 6. Thank you very much, instruction pointer. You came to line number 6, guys, and you are executing this line. After function call, the values are, after function call, the values are, see this, guys, percentile D AB. Observe in the diagram your A and B value, guys. Observe in your diagram the A and B value. Sir, 2 and 9. 2 and 9. That's correct. Then what will be printed here? 2 and 9. What happened here, sir? It is nothing but the concept of call by value. What you learned? Inside the function, whatever changes happen, some changes happen to your value now. That changes is not reflected back to main. That changes is not reflected back to main. It's something like, guys, myself is this, giving my copy of note to you. Before exam, you underline on that copy, mark somewhere, important point, mark with some color. Do you think that for doing that activity in my original note any effect will change? How can it be, sir? You have not sent me the original copy, you have just given me the copy of the original. The original document you have not shared. You shared what? Copy of the original. That's the reason whatever changes happened here now, that's not reflected back to main function. This is nothing but the concept of call by value. Now how beautifully we can create the definition. In case of call by value, the changes that took place inside the called function. What is called function, guys? The function who gets called is known as called function. In this example, who is the called function? Here, fun is the called function. So the changes that take place inside the called function will not take effect inside the caller function. Sir, what is caller function? The function who does calling is called caller function. Who is the caller function here? Main. So the changes that take effect inside the called function is not take effect inside the caller function. This is nothing but known as call by value. Let me take it, that take place inside the called function will not take effect inside the caller function. Tell me, students, picture perfect clarity, you got it or not? But story has not ended yet, sir, because I just printed line number 6. One activity is still there now. Return 0. Who will return that? Main will return that. To whom to return? Operating system to return. What value to return? 0 value to return. For what purpose? To give the indication that everything happens smoothly. Everything happens smoothly. Operating system, thank you very much for taking the initiative. Myself executed smoothly. In the middle, no problem came. Everything happened smoothly. Please take the control back. Immediately, this instance is going to be removed. Operating system will now feel main has given me the control. So there is no point of having the stack anymore. What I should do? Let me delete the stack. Let me delete the stack. Everything done. Tell me, guys, respond in the chat box. Do you understand the call by value perfectly? Do you understand how function call internally happens using stack perfectly? Plus, on top of that, if you have any doubt, now you can ask me. Are you listening it, guys? Make response in the chat box. Okay, clear. Very good. Next and after that, okay, good. Antika, Amlan, Dia. Okay. Next and after that, sir, another concept is there. That is called call by address. That is called call by address. Yesterday, I hope everyone can remember that we ended the session with a issue. What was the issue, sir? Two value, rather more than one value, was not possible to return. We tested, we tried our level best of doing that by writing two return statement, by writing return x comma y. Nothing worked, sir. And to get rid of that situation of returning more than one value, we have to take the approach that is nothing but known as call by address approach. Today at the end of the session, someone please remind me, sir. Please share the note. Today I will share all the notes. Yesterday I thought that, but somehow I forget to share. Today at the end, remind me. Call by address, sir, will help me to avoid that difficulty of returning more than one time. How, sir? Will come. But we cannot enter in the call by address concept directly. Because before entering to the call by address concept, I need to discuss a little bit pointer concept. Based on that only we can able to enter in the call by address. Pointer throughout the data structure everywhere will be needed. Sorry guys, without the knowledge of pointer properly, will not be able to put a single step data structure with C. I will give you picture perfect clarity of pointer. Only thing is that how much you are, with how much concentration you are listening. That is the factor. If you are concentrating hard, I will give you this pointer concept the best. On top of that, before showing the pointer concept, the previous example, I was just giving you, diagrammatic explanation, but I have not shown you by run the code. Let me run the code once. Execute, compile and run. Enter the value of A and B, 2, 9. Before function call, the values are 2, 9. Inside the functions, the values are 3, 10. After function call, the values are 2, 9. Hence proved. Now, introduction to pointer. Listen. I'm taking one value here. Int A is equal to 5. For int A is equal to 5, what is the pictorial representation? Pointer means diagram, guys. Without a diagram, you cannot understand. Every time pointer means I need to go for a diagram. Int A is equal to 5. Diagrammatically, it means what? Memory location for the variable A will be created. Value will be 5 and we'll have some address 1000. Whose address is this? A's address, sir. From where are you getting it? Arbitrarily considered, but actually from computer, from where it is taking? RAM address. RAM address. So this is what? Address. This is what, guys? Sir, value. This is what, sir? Sir, name of the variable. Name of the variable. Tell me, student, can I take the conclusion from here? From the above diagram. From the above diagram, what we can conclude? We can conclude inside the box is the value. This value is having a name, guys. That is called a normal value. Outside the box is the address. Address is also a value now, boss. Address is also a value. But the terminology is special value. Address terminology is what? Special value. Value means I'm talking about a normal value. Why we know? Why actually we are not using the word normal? Sir, normal word terms there only if some abnormality is also there. There to separate the differentiation abnormality we may use normal. Here nothing like abnormality is there. That's why we never use the word normal value. We use the word value, but value means normal value. But this fellow is very special fellow. This address is a very special fellow. That's why address means special value. Note: to hold normal value. Normal value means value 5, 6, 7, anything. To hold normal value, we need normal variable. Normal variable means variable. That's it. Nothing extra. Note 2. To hold special value, we need special value. We need special variable. Special na guys. Special means special needed. Normal means normally. In real life it also happens. Everyone treats our class topper in a different sense, sir. And all other students normal candidate. Topper special candidate. Similarly, to hold a normal value, normal variable, special value, special variable. Normal variable means the variable that you have learned till now. Say for example, int a. Is a is a normal variable? Yes, normal variable only. I hope you know this thing, guys. This is called as data type. This part is known as data type. I'm writing dt. This part is known as variable. Only variable I'm writing. And 5, you know that it's a value. It's a value. Data type, variable, value. Normal value, normal variable. Simple. Sir, how to write special variable? Suppose your parent are asking. See, these are a list of names are there. I'm telling you, 100 names are there. I'm telling you just by the side of name fifth name, mark him as a special. What you will do? You will write special. SPECIAL. No. I will put a star, sir. Parents telling 10 special, 25 special, 39 special, 75 special. What you are doing? Putting a star, putting a star, putting a star. So how to declare a special variable? How to declare a special variable? Simple. By preceding a star before it. As for example, int a, normal. Int star ptr, That's special variable. Any difference between them? Definitely, sir. One is topper, another is normal candidate. Definitely difference is there. What difference? Sir, special variable can hold special value. Normal variable can hold normal value. Means, sir, special value means address value. I write a code here, guys. Int a is equal to 5, comma b. Are both variables are normal? Normal, sir. Can I write b is equal to a? Sir, this is normal, this is normal. Yeah, sir, you can write. If I write printf %d_b, what will happen? Sir, b value will also be 5. 5 will be printed. Sure? Sir, sure. Anything new happened here? No, sir. Simple thing. From my childhood, I know that. My question is, can I write ampersand a, b is equal to ampersand a? Or let me think a bit, sir. I'm giving you the answer. Acha, sir, b is a normal variable, na sir? So this is normal variable. Normal variable. Sir, normal variable can hold a normal value, na sir? And ampersand is, sir, ampersand operator already you teach us. So ampersand a means it will give the address, sir. Address is a special value. So it becomes something like that, sir. From my analyzation, it becomes something like that. Normal variable is equal to special value. But is really normal variable can hold special value? No, sir. Normal variable can hold normal value. So you are not following the rule. What will happen? Do you think any error will come? No error will come. But compiler will give you a warning. Don't do this. Check it out. 1 minute, please. Execute, compile. Have you seen this warning? No need to read the warning because meaning is, I didn't explain it. You just read you just get that some warning is coming. Sir, warning definitely should come now. Because for special value, I need special variable and I'm not doing that. Guys, warning is not a error. Warning is not a error. I can give you warning. Don't do this. Study hard. While I'm taking this session, concentrate hard. These are called warning. You may listen, you may not listen. Arey, sir is there in the other end. Sir can't see me. Let me busy with my WhatsApp or Facebook and etc. etc. Sometimes students even sleeping. In online session, sometimes students even sleeping because there is no way I can control from here. Ultimately, who will be affected? Am I the loser? Who will be the loser? Definitely, you will not understand today, but time will come when you will understand what mistake I have made. So for that purpose, seniors, parents, faculty, they give warning so that your future will be secured. Same way compiler is giving the warning. Don't perform this type of thing. In future programming, you may be in danger. Currently, no problem. In future, as you proceed further, you may be in danger. Every day we deal with compiler guys, and if the compiler is giving any warning, I think you will accept that, sir. We should respect that. We should respect our compiler because without him we cannot move a single step. Then immediately you will do what? Sir, do one thing. Make the variable b as special. Today you have learned now how to make a variable special by preceding a star before it. Just let me put a star before it. Now you ask the compiler to compile. Check it out. All error, all warning gone. Compiler felt very happy. I warned you and you take that and you followed that. Now you read this line, guys. B. Anymore you will call it as a normal variable? No, sir. Special variable. And this is special value. Oh, special variable is equal to special value. Possible, sir. Normal variable is equal to normal value. Special variable is equal to special value. Now we will prepare our definition of pointer. A pointer is a special variable. A pointer is a special variable. Now my students will not make any argument with this. Sir, explain me what is special variable. Everything explained from their definition or forming. A pointer is a special variable. Are you going to give a full stop? No, sir. Why special? Why he is special? A pointer is a special variable which can hold. Now you are telling why special, which can hold. Check it out. What he is holding? Is he holding the value or he is holding the address? No, sir. Address, which can hold address of our faculty. Are is it holding the address of your faculty, guys? Is it holding your address of your faculty? No, sir. Then which can hold the address of our college. Is it holding your address of your college, guys? No, sir. Then which can hold the address of another variable. Another variable means, sir, variable means normal variable. How many times I have to say, sir, normal variable is variable, normal variable is variable. If I say variable, that means normal variable. If special, mention special. Achha. So hold the address of another variable. Are you going to give a full stop? Suppose by mistake you give a full stop. Then one fellow thought, acha, in star ptr. Another variable is there, float f is equal to 20.32. You said that ptr can hold the address of another variable. He thought that, he write like that. ptr is equal to ampersand f, because you give the full stop now. A pointer is a special variable which can hold the address of another variable. He is doing that. But the mistake you made here is that what we have not mentioned here. A pointer is a special variable which can hold the address of another variable of same type. Oh, that means if it's an integer pointer, it can hold the address of an integer, na sir. If it is a floating point pointer, it can hold the address of a floating point number, na sir. Yes. Tell me, guys, you will mark up the definition or you will say, sir, I will create the definition. Confidence, clarity. Getting, students? Understanding pointer definition? Anywhere you felt any difficulties, sir, I didn't understand this one. Respond, students, in the chat box. Yes, I will create the definition. That's called confidence. I will not mark up, sir. I will now onwards, I will create the definition. Why special? Where to give the full stop? I will ask, I will throw question to me, answer will come and I will put it in definition form. That's it, guys. Based on this definition and introduction of pointer, tomorrow I will discuss the concept of call by address. Tomorrow this concept will come into the picture. Thank you. Just let me share the classroom. First, let me share the classroom code and let me share the notes also. This is our classroom code, students. Take a picture of that. Hope done. Now let me share all the documents till now, starting from the first day. Okay, we started with operators, guys. Operator precedence and associativity, menu driven programming, flow control, function, pointer basic. Pointer basic, hold on. Call by value, call by address, I'm sharing the document, but call by address part I will discuss tomorrow. Okay. Up to this. Let me check out once. Is that pointer basic, which is the previous note is better or today I prepared it better? 1 minute. Okay, same. Let me share your document, whatever I prepared today. Let me share that one. As you understood from here, file, save as. Students, just confirm once whether you people have started receiving the what is called videos or not. Confirm once in the chat box whether you have started receiving the videos or not. Last week videos are all there in YouTube. Yesterday videos received, na? Good, very good. If anything you found that it's missing, sir, you discussed but not there in this note, just let me know once. I will do that. Already students have started joining here, so just to join here. Thank you, guys. Revise, study, and then join tomorrow session. Okay. Yeah.